Iceberg here and welcome back to my cube. So today I'll be showing you my recipe on how to make chocolate milk and marshmallows on top. So first, here are the ingredients you need. A cup, some milk, and a big blob of marshmallow. Oh, and you also need a stirring spoon. And the most important part, chocolate syrup. So first we have to pour the milk up to the amount you want it to be. For me, I want it to be this much. You know what, maybe a bit more. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do next is open up the syrup bottle and just pour in as much chocolate as you want. But not too much yet. Squeeze. There we go, that should be enough. Now what you're going to do next is stir it until it's chocolatey. So it should look like chocolate milk. Next, grab your marshmallow and tear it into small pieces and put it in. So it's gonna look like this. And now lastly, drizzle off with some more chocolate syrup. Okay, that's good. Serve and enjoy. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So we'll see you tomorrow on the next video. Bye!